What's up, guys? In today's video we're going to be starting a series of trading from 1K up to 10K, and we're going to be doing this on Binance US. And I want you guys to comment down below how long do you think this will take for me to do this, and also check out my Patreon and my course where I teach you how to trade and what I'll be doing. And in this episode we're going to be selecting 5 coins with $1,000 and putting $200 into each, and we'll be going through what coins I think are good buys and what opportunities there are. So if you're interested in that, stick around to the end of this video. Alright, so first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting on my Binance US. So here on Binance US, you can see that I have $1,000.64. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to trade right here. Click on markets. And then right here, we have favorites. We're going to be looking at the USD markets. So these are the ones that I favorited, and we're going to be going through the ones that I think are good buying opportunities. So first off, the ones I'm interested in looking at are VeChain, VET1, Engine, ENJ, Algo, ALGO, Elrond, OMG, Storage, OXT, XTZ, BAT, Band, REP, and KNC. So we're going to be going through these ones. We're going to be looking at the market cap, where they've been, and seeing which ones are the best opportunities, because we're going to split up that $1,000 into 5 of these coins, and so we're going to put in $200 into each of them. So I'm going to go on your coin market cap, and I'm going to search VeChain first. Okay, so VeChain is at a $10 billion market cap, which is pretty high up there already. You see it's taken off really just in the past couple months. It hit about 25 cents about a month ago, and that looks like it's the all-time high for it. And right now we're trading around 16 cents. So for us to get back up to that all-time high, that would be about a 50% increase from the price we're trading at right now. So this looks like a pretty good buy, in my opinion. It's a little bit higher market cap, so it might not have quite as high potential, but there's a lot of hype around VeChain, and I think it can perform very well. A lot of people think this can go over $1, so that might be one we look into. And then next is Harmony. This one is a $1.3 billion market cap, so quite a bit lower than VeChain. Its all-time highs were around 20 cents, I believe. Yeah, right around 20 cents. It's trading at 14 cents, so that's pretty good. It would be about a 40% increase to the all-time high. It would be a lot better if we bought it right around that 10 cents, even right here a couple days ago, and it's trading around 10 cents. So this one to me looks like it might not be the best buying opportunity, since it actually did go up quite a bit just in the past few days. So then we're going to move on to the next one. So I'm going to take that one out basically. So VeChain's still an option. Engine, we're going to look at Engine next. Engine's at $1.85. Its market cap's $1.5 billion. I know this one has also gone crazy, but this one has gone all the way up to about $4 actually. On Binance US, I remember seeing it trading at about $4. Let's see. Go on the chart. And then we will go to, oh yeah, you can see right here. This is the 1-day chart. You can see right here, $3.99, and that was on April 8th. So that one actually looks like a pretty good buy, because that would be a 100% increase from the price we're at. So this one right now is looking the best out of the three that we've looked at. So let's go on to the next one. Go back to markets and go to favorites. And then the next one, Algo. Let's see. Algo is trading around $1.34 right now. It's at a $4 billion market cap, and it's ranked number 44. And this one hasn't really done much recently. It went up to about, I think it was close to $2 a couple months ago. And then we've had these big run-ups to around $2 again, and then we've come back down to about $1 or so. And so this one might be a good buy. We'll have to see. It's a little bit higher market cap than the other ones, but it does have potential to go to $2 or $3, and a good one to trade if it goes from $1 up to $1.80, back down to $1, $1.20, and then back up to $1.70. So this one might be a good one to trade. Next, we're going to look at Elrond. It's at $144, ranked number 52, with a $2.5 billion market cap. And this one went up to, I believe it was, this is showing 250, but I believe it was a little bit higher on Binance. Let's see. So Elrond's, oh no, it is about $250 on April 10th. Okay, so that's about a 50% increase, I believe, from these prices. A little bit more. I think it's 50 to 70%. So this might be a good buy. I think this would be one of the top three so far of the ones that we looked at. And then let's move on to, what was the next one? Okay, and then let's move on to OMG. Actually, we're going to skip that one. Let's go on to Storj. Storj. S-T-O-R-J. Storj is at a $400 million market cap, so this is the lowest one we've looked at so far. And I believe this coin went up to $4 on there. And so from this price, it would be a 150% increase to go back up to those prices. And since this is a lower market cap, I definitely think this is one of the ones we should get to split up our $1,000. So next, OXT. OXT is also a lower market cap. Hasn't moved much recently. This one hit $1, I remember, in August of last year. Hasn't done much since. It's gone up to close to $1 to like 90 cents and then just dropped down a bit. So yeah, this is a $200 million market cap. In August of last year, this wick only shows it at 70 cents, but it actually went up to $1 and touched it on Coinbase. And so this one hasn't even broken its all-time highs yet. So I think this has a lot of potential. I could see this going up to between $2 and $5. So this is definitely going to be one of them as well. And then Tezos. Tezos is at $5.40 basically, and its market cap is $4.7 billion. This one hasn't really done a lot of crazy moves recently, because when it started it was over $10. I think it went up to $14, and then it's been trading around $2 to $3, and then just the last couple months it's gone up quite a bit, but not as much as these other coins. And so went up to about $7, came back down to around $4, and then went all the way back up to $7, and now it's around $5.40. So it might be a good entry. It's a little bit higher market cap, so there might not be quite as big of potential. This one is a good one though, because you can stake it and earn staking rewards. So those of you that don't know what staking is, it's basically like dividend investing, where you can earn about 5% APY for holding the coin on an exchange, and they'll pay you out weekly or monthly, however the exchange does it. So that might be one we consider looking into. Next is BAT, Basic Attention Token. And this is trading at $1.10. And it's a $1.6 billion market cap. And it has also had a pretty big run up just in the past few months, from about 50 cents, I think, up to $1.60. And then now it's around $1. So it'd be about a 40% increase to the top. And I think it has quite a bit of potential, so this might be one we look into. We'll have to see. And then Band. Band is also one that hasn't done much in the past few months compared to the rest of the altcoins. It is a $267 million market cap, trading around $13, rank 167, and this coin went up to about $20 in August of last year, and then it's also gone back up to those $20 recently. So it's back up to its all-time highs, hasn't really broken it and gone much further past it. So this one I definitely think can have some big room to grow, just like OXT. So I think this will definitely be one of them as well. And then KNC, I'm going to look at that. KNC went up to $4.70 just about a week and a half ago, which is pretty crazy, and it's trading around $2.60 right now. So that's almost a double, and this is also a pretty low market cap, I believe. Let me see. KNC. It's ranked 124, trading around 260. It's at a $500 million market cap, so it's a little bit lower. But this hasn't reached its all-time highs yet of the last bull run. So this has a lot of room to grow, in my opinion. So this might be one we definitely look into. A lot of trading potential with this one, especially for it being about a double from the all-time highs just from a week and a half ago. So out of all these coins, let's go back through them. The ones that we liked the most, I would say, were Elrond, I think Engine as well, Storage, OXT, Band, and KNC. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got to get rid of one of these. Let's see. I think for this one, we're going to just get rid of Engine, because Engine has climbed up the most out of all these just in the past few months. This has rallied from 10 cents or so all the way up to $4 in the matter of a month or so. So this one's already had its huge run up. So I think we're going to stick with Elrond, Storage, OXT, Band, and KNC. So we're going to put in $200 into each of these. So you want to always do limit orders for these, unless you are really wanting to buy something right away. Then you could do a market order. So a limit order versus a market order. Limit order is basically you set a price, a certain price that you want to buy at, and then you just enter in the amount, and it'll buy that exact amount. And the market order, it'll buy the first the next order up. So like if I put in an order for however much, it would buy up these orders until my order was completely filled. So limit order would stay in at the price you put it at, and a market would just buy up all the orders until you're filled. So limit order is the way to go, and it has a little bit cheaper fee as well. So we're gonna do, let's see if we can just drag this to 20%. There we go, $200. And we're gonna hit buy. There we go, it went through. So we got that. And then the next one, we have our balance. It's a little bit under 1,000 because of the fees, but we have our 78 KNC, 130 storage, 15.47 band, 362 OXT, and 1.38 Elrond. And these are all around $200. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be trading the way that I trade with these coins, and we're going to be doing episodes every few weeks or so to update on how this is doing until we reach that 10,000 goal. So comment down below how long you think this is going to take. And we're going to be trading these as often as I see fit, and just with the strategy that I have created, which you can also check out my course down below. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.